By the way, it was quite a long flight, 3 hours and a half flight from Birmingham. So welcome to Palma de Mallorca.
The trouble is, when Brits come to Spain to live, they become alcoholics because they're older all the time.
It's Palma de Mallorca. So we will recommend you. We will definitely recommend you this place for being visited. So drop a comment. We want to hear your opinion, your thoughts.
Whole chammy, we recommend it.
Help us growing, and that's it. Thank you.
I don't know when to start. Feo, que ves, una cosita, ese casita, yes.
Say hello, say hello. Oh yeah, El Capitano. We can definitely recommend you this place 1001%. I mean, it's nuts. Say, Il Capitano, say something in German.
Ah, sehr gerne. Aber was soll ich denn erzählen? Also, ich bin hier auf Mallorca, mega geil, ich bin hier auf meinem Junggesellenabschied und die Jungs haben sich sehr viel Mühe gegeben. Ich trage hier so eine geile Brille und geile Mütze.
Alright,
Und Prost.
Still popular in Britain.
1, 2, Polizei.